Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another No BS video. Do the RV house batteries charge from the alternator when the engine is running? That's the age-old question, right? So what I have here is a power probe, and it's going to give me a voltage reading. And I have the RV unplugged from the wall, and it's giving me 12.6 volts on the battery. So I'm going to start the engine up on the RV and see if we're having a charge. Okay, so I have the engine running. I'm going to probe the positive again. 14 volts. So yes, the house batteries in a motorhome do charge from the alternator when it's running. Now, I'll say that with a caveat. If you've stuck around this long, you're going to want to make sure that your RV doesn't have a switching solenoid in it, because if it does, you may have to switch to house power when your engine is running in order for it to pull off of the house battery set and not the chassis battery. I'll show you what I mean. Integra does a really good job at not having to use this button to get house charging done when the alternator is running, but sometimes you can hit that button right there and it'll cross over to your house, to your chassis battery, back to your house battery, back to your chassis battery. So you can do that and it will send power back to your house batteries to charge from the alternator. It's just not going to charge the chassis alternator. It can only do one or the other on some RVs. Some RVs will do both. So I hope you learned something from this video without hearing a whole backstory and a load of BS before I did the video. You know, this is a 2020 Integra Steam. They're all pretty much the same thing with regard to the Class C stuff on the E-Series chassis. Integra does do a pretty good job at making sure that all this stuff is kind of done for you. But like I said, if you have a switching system in your RV, you can probably just switch it over and make it charge the house batteries. Now this is a perfect situation for my next video, which is going to be hooking up the EcoFlow 800 watt DC to DC charger. They call it the alternator charger, but I'm going to be hooking up the EcoFlow charger to this battery set, sending it back to the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 back there and getting a constant 800 watts while I drive down the road, which is going to be awesome. So thanks again, guys. Subscribe, like. If you got some feedback you want to put on this video, put it, but you can see right here, it's proof these house batteries do charge when the engine is running.